this category, digital. So the students, they've created all these reels. So we are going to vote for the ones that you think stands out. That's how we're going to do it. Baya Dangi.
Yes.
Let's not forget the importance of a woman. We are born by a woman, we are raised by a woman, we fall in love with a woman, we marry a woman. Yet, let's not be ignorant. So one man. Enough is enough. No means no.
Yes.
Zero tolerance, one campus, safe for all.
Okay.
Another pandemic is raging in our country. Do you think I'm stupid, huh? Do you think I'm stupid? You're disgusting. Supposed to be
Faced violence.
That you don't believe me when I say I'm hurt.
Aman pizza ko sa phone mo.
Is it because you think I forgave you? I'm just pretending cause I'm hoping we'll get through it. I might be mad in love with you. Even hide all the pain that I've been through, but I'm still hiding, holding on to the fear of losing. I'm taking my heart, it's all I have. I'm more than enough to love myself. It's been hard to accept that seasons change and feelings fade.
Batang pizza. So
I saw the one that I liked. So I don't know how we're going to vote. If you guys still remember the reels, we have number 1, 2. How many reels do we have? 3. Oh, so we only had three reels. Okay. The loudest scream will tell us if majority. The first reel. Okay. Lukewarm. The second reel. is the same. First reel. Okay. The second reel. That one that had some people in the car. The third one. The third one. It goes without saying. Can the creators of the third reel please come on stage? Thank you, creator. Now I like the second one for some reason. Maybe it's because of that those people in the car, you know. I saw myself in that car. BMW North Cliff. Just put it out there. Now we're gonna do another segment, which is poetry. Let me check. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Avesh, are you ready for poetry? I think with iPhone 17 Pro Max. It says it's my voice. Hey Siri, I know. Hey Siri, no, Siri, I'm working. iPhone 17 Pro Max. I don't know why he's doing this.
Everton.
Sharp again.
Number 2.
Don't worry. But way of new away, we are in this together. Just record yourself and talk to your phone. For poetry, number 1, we have 5 poets. We're going to use the very same system. The one with the loudest, applause or chant, scream will be our winner. Our first contestant is Zandile, poetry called Ndidimele Tangapa.
Yeah. Moja love.
Why were you wearing that? What did you say to him? What did you do wrong? Why were you out late? No. My brother never learned this. My brother leaves the house differently than I do. And when he leaves, he leaves. Phone off charged, music loud, no pepper spray, and an uncomplicated night. He's never had to I'm in an Uber just to make sure. He's never had to cross the street because the footsteps behind him are way too loud. And the worst part is, he doesn't even notice. Because freedom sits so freely on him, it is natural. He thinks the world feels this way for everyone. And last week he asked me, why are you always so alert? Why are you so stiff? And I almost screamed, because a woman is raised like an open wound. Because I need to care. I need to be aware. I need to understand that the world is not safe for me. Because every woman I know has had to share a story so carefully, or she never gets to share it at all. A story about a car slowing down beside her. out behind her. And sometimes I wonder, who would I have been if I had not been raised by fear too? Would I be someone who takes a walk at night because the air feels right? Instead, I know which friend would notice first if I disappeared. And tonight my brother will walk in the dark. He will not count his footsteps. He will not reach for his keys. And he will not have to text anyone when he gets home. Because nobody raised him to believe that the world might take him. But me, I was taught survival. And I was taught survival before I was taught freedom. Don't exist too freely. And the violence is a consequence of being a woman. And only one of us leaves home thinking, am I going to come back? One campus, zero tolerance, safe for all.
Moja love!
Zandi, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay. I thought maybe you are doing a cameo.
Moja love!
As I was going out, I remembered that they're always pulling us back, these people. Let's stop pushing each other back. Try to break free from this thing. So, we're gonna go to the next. So, on the side, it's not the name of the poetry, it's the name of the song that they're going to use. So, coming on stage next, put your hands together and welcome Nokolo with the same song.
Why?
It's on Monday.
Why would she think he cares? Why would she think he cares? Maybe because of the sweet words he shares. Why would she think he wouldn't do it again? Maybe because of the love that still remains. She didn't know that love causes bruises like this. Love isn't bruises hidden underneath long sleeves, they said. His hands meant for love turned her to stone and left her heart to break alone. And yet, she hoped he'd change. So much hope that left her scared to death. She's not to blame. She's the fire that sparks our names. And with her story told, we'll turn her ashes, her silent ashes, into gold. Though she was held still at night, she will rise. She will talk. She will heal. And most definitely she will live. Yeah.
Zero tolerance, one campus, safe for all. Thank you.
Thank you. I thought we only have a blue eye. That's a black eye. What a bastard he is. Black eye. That's the next level. He came with a beat me with a charcoal on my arm, and he said cha 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 cha. Then I said cold 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 cold. Then the song If you do poetry, you don't have those African instruments, you must know something wrong. It must have that. They whipped us. No, that's how I feel. They whipped us. They whipped us. Oh. There we cried, guys. Yes. We were as young kids watching the Latina, the bring day. And those of you who know Parcella, if you know Paul from Parcella, we know your age here. You must be married by now. If you know Parcella, you have 3 kids now, you are almost in retirement. Welcome, Parcella. And after Parcella, what? If you know those things, then by now, let's move right along. Is microphone ready? Let's welcome on stage, Tabo, ladies and gentlemen.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 of them off alone. Yeah. Hit me. Topic: toxic relationships, toxic love. She stayed in toxic love, calling it love. She stayed in toxic love, calling pieces of bruises on her gentle touches. Her rare touches were like decorations on her. The controlling, he called it, he's too caring. The controlling, he called it, I'm his. He cried because he didn't understand. She stayed because she wasn't sure if she would make the next. She stayed in pain, but she told it gentle words. She stayed, calling control pain, but she didn't understand where she was going next. Even her friends, when they told her,
Do you know what the danger is?
Where is the danger?
He stayed in silence too, acting like emotional pain is a subscription plan. Free subscription ending soon, but it never ended. Acting like physical pain is like a gym workout. No pain, no gain. Njani, he felt it. He saw it coming.
he said sorry after every fight they had. So she thought this was a loyalty program. She collected apologies from him. They were like loyalty points, I guess. Thinking that these points would buy her loyalty, a peaceful relationship.
They said men don't cry, so we updated to airplane mode. No emotions, no subscriptions, no updates, no notifications. See, when I go my WhatsApp or my status comment, no. Imagine being married.
Yeah, no, not tonight. She stayed because he said, you're all mine. She responded, thank goodness. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get a man either way. Forgetting what she was worth, she was lost. She became what he wanted. She bent, she broke, She even adjusted for him. Just to avoid another fight.
He said, just in fear of judgment. Iyo must Nabantu syndrome. So he hid behind the silence. Ukuthi abantu bazothini bone laba.
Toxic relationship
Is not love.
it's confusion.
With a customer service.
No refund,
No exchange.
only emotions. Tuwanga mabu, tuwanga mabu, tuwanga.
Thank you so much, Tabo. Double impact. Thank you so much. If you don't have a friend like this, you must ask yourself, you must hunt a good friend. That's a real friend. Comes out of the blue, gosh. Like a dirty, you're buffering. Change this position, poof. You must not know the game. That's a real friend. Through thick and thin. Let's fall to the next one. Let's welcome Rochelle.
Hi. Silence has a sound. Behind closed doors, silence cries. With hidden pain behind her brave eyes, she goes about her night with a shattered heart and eyes full of emotions and a trembling hand. Words like weapons sharp and deep, leaving the soul with scars to keep. Listen, wounds heal, bruises heal, but scars grow. They live with you. So she walks through the night, afraid to talk, scared to speak up, made to feel helpless and weak. Yet deep down a light glows. Deep down a strength that the darkness has never seen grows. So for every victim fighting light, for every victim reclaiming a fight, there's always sunshine at the end of the road. Hearts can mend. So on this campus we say, violence must come to an end. We say zero tolerance. We say one campus must be safe for all of us. Thank you.
I don't want to waste any more time. I don't want to waste any more time. You know? Welcome the last poet, Litabo.
boards, reeking of cigarette smoke and cheap wine. Knees bleeding but still chained to the sky. Psalm 23 tattooed across her tongue, but still the shadow of death overpowers her. See, I have been to the mountain top, and I have seen my sisters' bodies falling like dominoes. Babies mashed against walls like Babylon's kids. Little girls hanged on trees and their mouths stuffed with the used-up fabric of draft. What kind of a sick generation is this?
Yeah.
Where semen paints little girls' inner thighs blue. Private parts left exposed like paintings on art gallery walls. See my sisters. My sisters are endangered species, man. And I'd rather save them than rhinos. Because there are too many campaigns and not enough action. Too many broken jaws and penny gates. Torn apart panties and broken promises. Brass strapped like suicide vests. Hearts explode every time they're unhooked. What kind of a sick generation is this? See, Earth is no place to raise a girl child. But yet I'm still expected to teach my niece to love thy neighbor. When justice is just ice, served cold, just another fairy little girls believe in, unseen. To serve and protect is just another slogan, concept, myth. Prison bars go further apart with every girl that gets raped, murdered, mutilated. I feel their heavy spirits hanging over my head like a heavy halo. Their watery eyes praying for a drier season. So I mean to you, Tandeka. I mean Lirato, Lisedi, Mandisa, Palisa, Zangile, and every other girl whose story never made the 7 o'clock news. Those buried in ditches and shallow graves, whose decomposing bodies never got a song composed for them. I apologize for what my gender has done to your gender. I apologize for what my gender has done to your gender. I apologize for what my gender is doing to your gender. One campus, safe for all. Thank you.
It's a tough one. Please line up here, poets. Please line up here with your numbers. And your alcohol, you can line up here with your alcohol as well. We listen, but you don't. Come with your bottle, my brother. Yeah, no. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, my bro. Okay, let's start. Because we have to eat there, I've been talking, and I want to eat. Number one. Okay, let's check that again. Number one. Number two. Okay, number two. Number three. More. Number four. And number five. Unfortunately, there's one winner. But you won our hearts, you won our hearts. You won our hearts. We're gonna move right along now to the singers. Now singing. Yeah. So that we are done. After the singers then we are out going to eat. Done, yeah. That is what we are here. Let's welcome the singers. We're gonna have the first on stage. Not gonna waste any more time. Let's give them the numbers. You guys have a microphone over there. There's a microphone. There's a microphone. Whoever is going first, that's a microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from backstage, put your hands together and welcome on stage, Chabulani!
Bafo! Bafo!
Hello everyone. As I've been introduced, the song that I am going to sing right now, I composed it Thursday. Yeah. And I'm dedicating this song to the beautiful souls that have lost and that have experienced gender-based violence.
Yeah.
Selector, take me through song. I'm standing in the midst of war, telling you a story of a woman. Yeah, woman who's been tortured, but the man kept it silent. Today, oh, I wanna tell you, don't keep quiet, speak up. Oh, speak up. Oh, speak up. You wanna know if you keep quiet about these things, they're gonna keep on to you. The generation. Somebody next to you, tell them it's so worthy to settle for less. If you know that man hurts you, tell your man from here. Your time has come. All that you have to do is to speak up. What can I say for you?
Let's for the fun. All the way from backstage, put your hands together and welcome Asada! Number 3 on the list. Put your hands together. When I say put your hands together, you clap. Yeah? Put your hands together. For Novisa! Your Novisa, over to you.
Not every wound bleeds. Sometimes the hurt is in the silence. Sometimes the hurt is in the sudden change in behavior. GBV often starts quietly long before it is visible. Not every wound is a bruise. Sometimes the damage is in the shame. The damage is in the isolation. The damage is in the loss of self. Emotional abuse and control are the roots of GBV. Often starting subtle and sinking deep. I like to dedicate this song to all the women that were abused, raped, and killed.
vote for me.
Where is you going to come?
Last but not least, let's welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Balenda!
Yo!
Hi everyone. By the way, I wrote the song. Yeah, let's go. How many times do we have to cry out love? Yeah. How many protests, campaigns have to take place? How many times do we have to cry out love? How many protests, campaigns have to take place? Yeah. It's easy. If you don't love her anymore, let her go. If you don't love him anymore, let him go. Go. Don't keep her. Don't beat her. If you don't love her anymore, let him go. Don't keep him. Don't beat her. If you don't love them anymore, let them go. Go. We pray for change. Yeah, we need it. We plead for change. Yeah, we need it. Speak out, seek out. Together we will take a stand. Don't die inside, no more silence. Together we will take a stand. Zero tolerance, one campus, safe for all. Zero tolerance, one campus, safe for
Time to eat. Okay, no more wasting more time. Please, our amazing talented singers, would you please line up? Whichever way. Okay, if you can come this way, it's fine. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Are you ready to vote? Yeah. Let's get right on. Number 1. Let's go eat them. Thank you. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. This is the time. No, it's a time. Because I did 2 times. They must share that thing. Whatever is there, they must break it.
They won't have to share. We will give them both the same gift. I'll give it to the lady and then I will give you the exact gift. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay, we're going to give him this consolation for the go to the
Take a picture. Thank you. That was amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. I know this is the sad part. It's so sad to say goodbye. It's a goodbye time. Thank you for being here. Stakeholders, sponsors, and everybody here. Thank you for being here from the beginning until now. I think saying thank you is an understatement. By this time, people would have been gone already. But the fact that you've been here since the beginning until this time, give yourselves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And let's also give an applause to AAT for giving us this amazing event. And thank you for allowing me to be your host today. And you've made me feel at home. I hope this won't be the first and the last time we see each other. And to BMW Cliff, thank you for the car. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to post it. My people will see it. We're going to work together so much. That was my time, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samari. And for closing, I'm going to hand over to Mpo, and I'm not going to come back. Thank you.
Afternoon. I'm not going to take much of your time. I understand our stomachs are starting to communicate. Let me start by thanking my brother, Samari. I wanted to say, but you told us you are now with the Santen gang. So thank you very much. We appreciate the growth. I will go to our sponsors. I'm not going to say all of you by name. We have seen you on the screen. We really appreciate you coming forth and saying, we want to be part of the noise. We want to be part of the message around awareness on GBV. We appreciate your effort. It doesn't stop here. It's not something that we do once off for social media posts. It's a lifetime thing. The awareness will be part of us up until it's no longer a domestic challenge. We appreciate you, our sponsors. Can we clap for our sponsors? Can we clap again for our sponsors? Without these guys, we wouldn't have this food. We appreciate the machines you see there, the live stream that we got from, they call him Impoti because advanced assessment is already blessed with Mpo, so we won't have the two Mpos. Mpota, Kata and the team, we appreciate you guys. I know I'm live now. I'm going to appreciate participants from the AAT team, the Manco team, allowing the guys to take a bit of time because when we did this project, we didn't just plan for a day. For the past 9 weeks, we were very engaged on an awareness exercise where we, as a college, we are teaching about GBV. The kids, for them to come to the stage today, it is because of the preparedness of the whole lot of work that was done behind the scenes with Rajesh being our team lead. We appreciate you, Madam, as well. Can we all agree that we've got beautiful, talented AET? I always say to Katie that we are blessed and entrusted with the responsibility of the development of young people. Over and above the development that we have to assist them, every day they surprise us, these kids. The amount of speakers that you will find in this room, you will be, I can't even blow our own horn. We appreciate you guys. Thank you. They are saying that my classes should be off. I don't know the reason, but yeah, I understand. It's because of the beautiful cap that I have. Thank you for taking the time and appreciating this initiative, you young people, to learn. Because when you learn from advanced assessment, you are taking it back to the communities where you come from. Yeah. We are not able to say to government of South Africa that we will teach the whole South Africa about GBV. But we know that we are present throughout the country because of all of you. When you go back to Everton, there's nothing wrong about Everton. He comes from there as well. Someone who's coming from your Cosmo City, Soweto, Hapag. I come from Hapag as well, but I moved to this side as well somewhere. When I go back, this information will then be manifested around those areas. And now we become better in South Africa. Paul said in reflecting, zero tolerance without involvement is a waste of time. All of us, we have started with this involvement. It is not going to stop here. I encourage every person, because we are a college, in the process of learning, reflection is very important. We go back, we reflect, what do we do going forward? I know someone is saying, hey, the food. I'm going to get to that component. We appreciate this event, we appreciate you, but we appreciate the opportunity for us to go back and make an impact. This year, Advanced Assessment is celebrating 20 years of impact, not 20 years of existence. We think 20 years of impact because of the amount of impact we make across South Africa. And we wouldn't do anything without the sponsors, without the clients. The second 10 to 20 years of impact is together we are doing it. Together we are doing it. Thank you very much. Now it's time for food. Because I come from Sikukula, we don't have rules for food, but when you've got visitors, you are allowed the visitors to start first. It's culture. You understand that? So we'll start with our sponsors, clients. They will walk and start taking. All of us will have food. But because of this culture and being very consistent with our process, we need to allow them. Then once we've done everyone. Then AAT employees, it's Friday. We knock off 4 o'clock. As soon as we're done with this part, you might have one email, very important. You go back and you press send on that email. Our clients will remain for us to do the networking, and we can start that certain conversation that somebody was talking about and grow and become even better to impact and advance a nation. Thank you, Dango.